Hello everyone, I hope you all keep well. So now this is the third video of the Shaolin 7-star series. I hope this let you feel something. Why is it 7-star? It's not some test movement. So this one we're going to link the last one from the 二踢脚. We complete the sequence. So last time we actually landing here. I need you hold the leg, right leg here, then exchange the leg, land, up other knee. Now my body turn this way, still rose stand. Then you're dropping down, back to the Pu Bu, and then become a Gong Bu, punch it. Right, don't worry, I will go through again. So that's rough idea. So next one. So after the next one, 二踢脚, you hold your leg like this. Rose the stance, you exchange the leg, A. At the same time, use elbow, close your body, hands on your fist, dropping down to the Pu Bu, the crouch stance, then elbow folding your body up, and then up to here, hands together, become Gong Bu, punch. Right, one more time. Now we link them together. So after 二踢脚, boom, hold your knee, exchange, hold your leg, elbow, fist, close your body, dropping down the Pu Bu, elbow folding in, up, fist together, double out, turns, punch out. That's the movement. Okay, now you stop, look at me first. I quickly do the whole movement. From the 二踢脚, 二踢脚, change, drop, punch it. Is the movement? Okay, so that's the, I will do follow you, but lead you do one more time for slow motion. Then we will link them whole movement together. Right here from 二踢脚, left leg at the front, right leg behind. Exchange, kick, hold your right leg, exchange, your face to the right side, up your knee, dropping down, slowly move, become both arm, right, twist. That's the movement. Okay, so you've been there 3 movements. Now let's get started from very beginning to the end of this whole movement. Now you ready? Then we do slowly first. With very first movement with stance, focus on the stance. Start, open the leg with the shoulder wide. Then become a 七星步. Then become 马步. And become a 弓步. And 马步. And rose the stance. And Pu Bu, and Gong Bu, 七星 stop, 二踢脚, right, exchange, Pu Bu, and moving, become fist, double punch. That's the whole sequence we've been learning already. So I lead you 2 more times. Now we try explain a little bit more detail for certain movement. Right here. First, open the leg. 七星 stance, 7-star stance. 马步, Gong Bu. Don't worry about upper body yet. And 马步, roost stance. Pu Bu, Gong Bu. 七星 stance, 二踢脚, exchange the leg, drop down, Pu Bu, and double punch. Now, I hope some of you can follow my speed and pace. Same time we do fast one more time. Right here, a little bit more full power. Don't worry about the upper body. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, sequence. Okay, so some of the movement a little bit complicated. You do need to slow down your speed to redo few more times. Allow your muscle remember and recognize the movement. Then you do more fast. That will help you more understand more details and also save yourself. Don't train too hard and you're injured. So for example, like this movement, it's very complicated. So I usually suggest you will be, when you do, you kick, you hold your leg, and then exchange it. When you do this, you don't need to do completely. You can do soft, slowly, exchange, and then exchange, and then dropping down. So you put your full, feel the pace, and then gradually you jump high, you kick high, right? So that will help you. And plus the movement for the stance. Some of you may think it's too easy and you forgot about pay attention for the hips. So you should try keep remind you and scan yourself the movement. Every time you do, the hips sit back. This is the key area. Sit back, then to do the movement. Because sometimes we usually do like that. The hip is too firm. So make your whole body posture is not right. Okay, again, this reflects to some of you maybe think the movement is too tough or too, for example, this kicks, make you too hard. What I always suggest you to do is you can start, if you don't jump, for example, maybe some of my uncle, like 85 years old, for example, right? But he really loved this form. But what he could do, he can't jump anymore, but he still can do the movement, right? You still can learn the technique, the movement, the applications. Instead, only you looking for cool movement, jumping, make it amazing. You know, the form amazing thing is the generation is the what they call it, the great stuff in the form. Is this journey you start from learning and to understand the things. I think that is the best thing. It's not only looking for the cool movement, jump or acrobatics. I think that's time we can be misunderstand the Kung Fu. Acrobatics or fight or body condition is only certain part of a Kung Fu. It's not all of a Kung Fu. The real Kung Fu is understand the movement, understand the art, understand the philosophy. So yeah, that's what I understand. I hope you understand that too. So when you do the training, slow. You can't do that crazy thing, you still can do something instead. You still do it. Nothing can stop you if you want to. We can have many things to reach the goal. We not only have one way. So yes, hope you enjoyed that. I'm really looking forward to see you in the virtual training. Be there. Take care of yourself. I'll see you very soon. Take care.